And on that fateful afternoon, I got to look into Sharon's eyes and dance with her for a few minutes. Now, she may not even remember this, but that's okay, because I do. A few years later, our paths crossed again, and this time, Sharon took me from the world of theater to the world of recording and movies. It was Sharon who introduced me to show business, in show business, and I will forever be grateful to her for that. And I remember when I was 18 years old, back when I started, I had no idea what show business had in store for me. But there I was, this kid with nothing more than a hope and a dream in a world full of stars. And one, just one, mega star. Saang sulok ng langit kung magtatagpuan, kapalaran di natitikman, sa pangarap lang namasdan. Isang lingon sa langit at isang ngiting wagas, may dalang kikislap, kabay patungo sa tamang landas.
Unti-unti mararating kalangitan at bituin. Unti-unti kinabukasan ko'y magniningning. Hawak ngayon, tibay ng damdamin. Bukas naman sa aking pag-isip, kapiling ko'y pangarap na bituin.
Sharon Cuneta, ladies and gentlemen.
Ilang sulok ng lupa, may kubling na lulumbay, na nasanay sa isang kahit isang tukang pamumuhay. Isang lingon sa langit, nais mabagong buhay sa ating mga bala. Nakasalalay ang ating bukas.
Ang ating bukas, unti-unting mararating kalangitan at bituin. Unti-unting kinabukasan ko'y magniningning. Hawak ngayon, tibay na damdamin. Bukas naman sa aking pag-ising, kapiling ko'y mangarap na bituin. Unti-unti
mararating kalangitan at
kalangitan at bituin.
kinabukasan ko'y magniningning. Hawak ngayon, tibay ng damdamin. Bukas naman sa aking pag-isip,
Bukas naman sa aking pag-ising. Bukas naman sa aking pag-ising. Sa aking pag-ising. Kapiling ko'y pangarap na going to say my love, but my sister.
You told me that I was your crush when we were younger. You told me last year.
I only told you last year.
Yeah, last year.
I only had the guts to tell you last year.
Why? But no, never mind. You're so happy with me. I'm happy with my Kiko. But
I know.
you know, his father was my vice principal in high school. He used to put me in detention all the time. Not because I was not a good student, on the contrary, but he didn't like it when I would come late. Because I would have shooting till like 3 in the morning, then be in school at 7:50. So he said, you know, stay an hour after. But he was so sweet. He was Ninong in my first wedding.
You know, Sharon, my father was so proud to... Yeah, okay.
Yeah, did not
He
work.
was... He
ended.
Not a very good ninong, huh?
No, yeah, like me also when I'm bridesmaid, please don't get me. You'll break up.
But my father was so proud, so kilig to have you as a
I love
student.
him. He's like my papa. And of course, I knew Menchu. I knew the whole family. I used to hang out in their house in Pasay.
Sharon, thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you.
I don't know what to say because you did everything on your own.
Because, you know, without a Sharon Cuneta, there would be no Raymond Lachenko.
That's not true. Oh, that's not true. Now, maybe in movies, I just gave you a hands up, and then you just did everything yourself. And everyone fell in love with you the way we all knew they would because we loved you that way.
Ladies and gentlemen, my ate,
Happy birthday.
Sharon Cuneta.
I love you.
Is it okay?
Happy
Can you
birthday.
sing one more song for everybody? I'm sure they...
Yeah!
Would you like to hear one more song?
I'll do something for you. This is something I recorded when I was 12. 15 years ago. My eldest daughter is older than me.
Ladies and gentlemen, the megastar, Sharon
Thank you so
Cuneta.
much. I hope you remember this. Louis Ocampo wrote this song. And thank you, Marvin, our musical director. Hope you remember this. I love this song. Puro kayo kaedad namin. Our generation and my kids. Oh, there you are. For you guys. At iyong pagmasdan ang ating kaysaya nagtaan. Pagsuyo ang langingan, laking sundan at iyong pakinggan, tinig ko na nagpaalam, dumahan ka magsaya, pagkat may sikat pa. Tingnan mo ang ating umaga, kay tamis at may pag-asa. Huwag kay sakit isipin, tayo'y may bukas. Ay magbabalik rin sa umaga sa iyong pag-isip. Huwag kang lumuha, di na iiwan pa. mag-asa. O kaysa na isipin tayo'y may bukas din. Ako ay magbabalik rin sa umaga sa iyong pag-isip. Huwag nang lumutang, di na Thank you, God bless you. Love you all. Happy birthday, my brother. Thank you, band. Oh my God, it's my band. Nagawa niyo dito. Oh, backup ko din to. Oh, parang wala tayong trabaho kaya nagsa-sideline ka. Okay lang. The first song was from Raymond's and my first movie. His first movie and our first movie together where we played brother and sister. And
We always play naman brother and sister.
yeah, because you didn't tell me. Cannot we love team look, 6-footer?
Kasi, the first time I made parinig to Sharon, I must have been 18 or 19 years old. I said, Sharon,
When was that?
wait, let me make cuento. Sharon, would you like to watch a movie sometime? And she goes,
Oh
yeah.
my God, I remember that.
With
You
who?
called me. I said, yeah, with who?
With whom would you like to watch a movie? I was like, deep inside, cut me na lang, kill me na lang with a gun, you know? Or...
Bagong hiwalay ako nun eh. Nag-try naman siya in fairness. Oh, but Mia is so beautiful and lovely.
She is.
Aren't we so crazy about our spouses
We
and
are,
our kids,
we are.
right? You raised beautiful, wonderful kids
Thank
with
you,
your
my dear.
beautiful wife. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're back. Now let's
I
color
am
your
too.
hair with vegetable dye. I keep telling you, I'll be 69 in January, so we're not so far off.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I know.
I'm proud to say, I can't hide it. I started at 12. They will count. Yeah. It's okay. Mukha naman 58.
I love you.
Oh, love you. Happy birthday and God bless you, everyone. Thank you for being here from my brother Sharonians. Love you.
Thank you, Sharonians. Thank you,
I love
Sharon.
you. Let's take care of Raymond. Thank you.
Would you sing?
Marvin, sabi ni Marvin, ay, hindi ko alam ano yung face na yan. Acapella. Oh, yabang.
Kung tayo ay matanda na,
Can you do that?
sana
Oh, sige, kanta na lang to.
di tayo magbago. Kailanman
Come on, RD.
nasan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hanggang yakapin?
Everybody let me hear you. Fairness.
Hanggang sa
Sweetheart, come here. Sweetheart, matalog ka. Kami-kami lang to. Alam mo, parang sa bahay tayo.
Anong lang sa'yo? Ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Kakatina ko lang. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin.
Katulad ko,
Sabay tayo mananarap
ng
at
nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Snooki, ipapaalala ko sa'yo
Sa'yo
ang ating
pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti
na ang buhok ko. Ang taas! Buhok ko.
buhok ko. Ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen,
everybody. I love you, bro.
Sharon, thank you for everything you've done in my life.
Anything,
Thank you.
anytime.
Thank
Love you guys. Thank you. I need you back. I need you here beside me. Please, I don't wanna go on pretending that it's gone. Sorry, excited mo concert.
Sharon Cuneta, ladies and gentlemen.